Hey, yo! It's always a little squeezy doing around corners and that sort of thing. You in bathrooms, you get a bit cramped, but I maintain you never, ever, and I see blokes do it all the time. They stand on their fresh tiling. Well, I don't understand that. DIYs, do not stand on your fresh tiling, clipped or not. If you can't do it by not standing on it, leave it till tomorrow and stand on a dry tile and do it. But I see a few things that's opened my eyes. Like blokes, tiles aren't even clipped and they're standing on them, and they spread their glue like the whole room. Huh. What a joke. It's fully skinned on top by the time you're laying your tiles. Incredible! Never let your skin, never let your glue skin, people. That's a no-no. All a bit squeezy, but it's all right. No, never walk on your never walk on your fresh tiles, DIYs. You get that? This is where doing a bathroom gets a little bit tricky. But you can't do much about it. That's just the way it is. Once the floor's done, well then the floor's the squeeziest in a bathroom. Grain's going the right way. Pop it down. Give it a rub. Look at that. Folks, that is how you do a bathroom floor. Looking at your lines, you're just touching them up a little. Is that one a little bit low there? That's good. I like it a lot. I've used a cut edge and those cuts up there, but and I didn't bother buffing them because the bath goes over that grout line going up there. So I thought, oh well, I'll save tiles a little bit and just put in a cut edge, which you don't normally do. In an exposed, but with it being covered by the bath, your home and hose. Hunky-dory. Okay, I will probably look at this shortly, but I want to pull this out, so I'll get a hammer and chisel. I'll pull this out. Or shall I? If I go over it a little, I'll think about that, because then I'll put a whole new piece of aluminium in the front. So if I cut it all to size, and then I'll smear polyurethane to act as my waterproof, which is Hunky-dory is waterproof. It's good stuff. Just to cover my mud there. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I don't have to come right out to the door because the timber floor, they've done it halfway under the door, which is the correct thing to do. I'm going to go for some lunch, and then I'll do this and I'll show you how to lay the toilet floor. See you soon.